This video shows how to use topics in Read and Write for Google Chrome. If you're writing about a specific subject, you can use the Topics feature to see more words related to that subject in your prediction list. Click the Topics tab and search through the built-in academic topics. Now you'll get to relevant words and phrases in fewer keystrokes.
Emancipation Proclamation.
You can also create your own topics from web pages or documents. In horizontal or vertical view, go to the page you want to create a topic from and click the drop-down arrow next to the prediction icon. You can create a topic from the whole page or from specific text you've selected. The topic will automatically be turned on and named based on the page. In Writing View, go to the page you want to create a topic from and click the Read and Write extension. This will open the Topics toolbar, where you can again choose to create from page or selection. You can manage up to 4 of your most recent topics, turning them on or off at any time. To learn more about Read and Write, visit the Academy.